Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an important topic to discuss for all you car owners out there. We've all been there. You hop into your car, turn the key, and click, but no start. It's a frustrating situation that can leave you stranded and wondering what to do next. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're going to walk you through some common reasons why your car may be clicking but won't start, and what you can do to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. Dead battery. The most common culprit behind a clicking noise when you try to start your car is a dead battery. Over time, batteries can lose their charge, especially in extreme weather conditions. If you hear a rapid clicking sound when you turn the key, it's likely your battery is too weak to crank the engine. To test this, turn on your headlights. If they're dim or don't turn on at all, it's a sign that your battery is low on power. The solution here is to jump start your car using jumper cables and a second vehicle or jump starter. Make sure to follow the correct safety procedures when jump starting your car, and consider getting your battery tested or replaced if this happens frequently. Faulty starter. Another common reason for the clicking noise could be a faulty starter motor. The starter motor is responsible for turning the engine over, and if it's not working correctly, you'll hear that dreaded click. To diagnose this, you can try tapping the starter gently with a hammer while someone else attempts to start the car. If it suddenly starts, it's a clear indicator that the starter motor needs to be replaced. Replacing a starter motor can be a bit more involved, so it's best to consult a professional mechanic if you suspect this is the issue. Bad solenoid. Now, let's talk about the solenoid. The solenoid is a smaller component connected to the starter motor, and it's responsible for engaging the starter when you turn the key. If the solenoid is faulty, you might hear the clicking noise but no action from the starter motor. In some cases, you can give it a gentle tap to see if that gets your car to start, but this is usually a temporary fix. A bad solenoid should be replaced as soon as possible to avoid further issues with your car starting. Ignition switch problems. Moving on, we have the ignition switch. The ignition switch is what sends power to various components in your car when you turn the key. If it's malfunctioning, you might hear a click, but the engine won't turn over. You can try jiggling the key or turning it back and forth to see if that helps. If it does, it's a sign that the ignition switch may need to be replaced. Remember, diagnosing and repairing ignition switch problems can be complex, so it's best to consult a professional if you suspect this is the issue. Conclusion. To sum it up, if your car is clicking but won't start, there are several potential reasons behind it. It could be a dead battery, a faulty starter motor, a bad solenoid, or issues with the ignition switch. The good news is that many of these problems can be diagnosed and fixed, either by yourself or with the help of a qualified mechanic. Remember to prioritize safety when troubleshooting your car's issues, and if you're not comfortable with the process, it's always best to seek professional assistance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.